Hi guys, it's Frugal Fanny, and today is July 1st. You know what that means? Day one of Plastic Free July. Woohoo! I'm out here on my back porch eating my favorite breakfast. This is a yogurt bowl. It's got fresh berries, almond milk yogurt, local bamboo honey, bee pollen, and some almonds. I got to thinking, how am I going to eat my favorite breakfast during Plastic Free July? These are berries I bought at the grocery store in plastic clamshell containers a couple of days ago during not Plastic Free June. How am I going to continue to eat this breakfast through my Plastic Free July? Guess what? I'm not. Yeah, the Rolling Stones had it right when they said, "You can't always get what you want." Good thing they didn't sound like that when they sang it, right? Or it wouldn't have become a big hit. But anyway, you know what? It's not about convenience all the time. It's about sustainability. And sometimes we have to do without. Berries are not in season yet in upstate New York. And the unseasonable amount of rain we got this spring decimated the strawberry crop. So we may not get any strawberries in upstate New York. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to wait till the end of July when blueberry picking starts. I'm gonna pick them myself, wash them, freeze them, and enjoy them. So, Frugal Fanny, here's another opportunity for you to help me save the world. Drop a comment and let me know what you're eating for breakfast today. Peace.